Did police really have the right to search your home, car, or other personal property? You see, law enforcement officers can't just search whatever they want. They need a search warrant. But the real question is, what if they didn't get it the right way? What if their mistake is the key to getting your charges reduced or even thrown out? Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll break down exactly when police need a search warrant and how to tell if your rights were violated. I'm Andrew Beasley, your Tennessee criminal defense attorney, and I help people who have been accused of crimes fight back. If you or someone you know is facing charges, visit my website and schedule a free strategy session. Your defense might be stronger than you think. So let's get down to what we're talking about today. What gives law enforcement officers the right to search? At the heart of every search warrant is the Fourth Amendment, your right to be free from unreasonable searches and seizures. This means the police can't just search your car, your home, or your phone just because they feel like it. They need a search warrant with valid probable cause supporting it. And if they don't have that, you may have a solid defense to get your case reduced or dismissed entirely. So what is probable cause? Well, in general, a judge is not supposed to hand out a search warrant to just any officer who asks. Law enforcement officers must prove that there's probable cause, meaning they have real evidence, not just a hunch. They've seen something illegal happening. They have a credible witness or informant backing up their claims, or they've gathered surveillance, records, or other supporting evidence. And if they can't prove any of these to a judge, then they should not have a valid search warrant. To get a search warrant, police must submit an affidavit or sworn statement explaining each of the following: where they want to search, what they are looking for, and why they believe evidence will be found there. And if their affidavit is too vague, misleading, or lacks real evidence, then their search warrant may be invalid. And guess what? An invalid search warrant could mean your entire case gets thrown out. Now, of course, there are going to be some times that the police do not need a search warrant. Some of those situations are as follows. Consent. If you say, yeah, go ahead and search, then you've waived your rights. As a practical matter, you should never do this. Next is plain view. If illegal evidence is in plain sight of the law enforcement officers, then they can seize it. Another situation is an exigent circumstance, where something comes up where they think evidence will be destroyed or someone is in danger. And search incident to arrest. If you're arrested, they can search you and your immediate surroundings. Look, when you're facing any kind of search warrant situation, get representation. The legality of the search warrant could literally make or break your case. Visit my website and schedule a free consultation today, because knowing your rights could be the difference between a conviction and a dismissed case.